I actually like standing up. I'm gonna start standing up more often. But anywho, welcome back to another video, man. I'm glad to be back. I'm glad you're back. I know y'all see the artwork in the. Hold on, give me a split second. Do y'all see that fire back there? Do you see that? You see that fire back there? Oh, you see that fire? Hold on, other side. Fire back there. Me and my girl been together for a long time, long time, and I've never made her a custom shoe. So what I did was I went to the Van store because she loves Vans, but she normally gets the canvas joints. I got her the leather joints. Now the leather joints top dollar. You feel me? $5 difference. So I'm in my bag for real trying to get right. But the thing is, she thinks the custom is for like a client. So she's been helping me record the video and all that stuff, and she has no idea they're really for her. I think that's like a dope surprise. So I'm gonna use this thing called Solar Color Dust. Now, if y'all don't know what that is, that's custom magic. You literally can make it change colors, whether it's hot, cold, sunny, dark, it'll do something. The one I have, the packet, it changes from pink to purple when it's cold. Of course, I'll be doing a step-by-step, more so a tutorial type thing, so you guys can understand the process. And if you want to do it too, you already got what you need. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Help a brother grow. You know what I'm saying? Only get one shot at this. I'm not gonna sit here and continue to waste your time. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. Here's the path to sneaker custom success in 3 easy steps or phases. Our first step is the cook-up phase, where we mix our materials to develop our paint. The next step is the spray ground phase, where we will apply our paint to our shoe. Our final phase, which is the icing on the cake, where we'll put the protective finish on our shoe. So now we identified our steps, let's talk about materials. The first thing you're going to need is some solar color dust, which is our key ingredient. Some Angelus neutral paint to mix our solar color dust powder. Some Angelus too thin so our mix can flow through our airbrush easily. Some acetone and a few cotton balls to remove the factory finish. And finally, a small cup and a mixing utensil to whip everything together.
Behind the whitest fishes behind the eyelid, tell her reckless with the clauses, careful with the cost me. Need this shit forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. Fuck niggas quick to auction, they false print. Always treat this shit with a caution, hold it 10 toes down for the dog.
Here's a quick tip. Make sure you add a 1-to-1 ratio of your solar color dust and Angelus neutral paint to get an even, well-balanced paint mixture. You also want to add some too thin for your airbrush.
As soon as I'm asleep shoulder, wrist thing and they rose gold and my glow from me. Couldn't pinpoint on the globe, just why I wanted to go.
One of the most important steps that you can't forget is leather preparation. Using acetone or even nail polish remover can help remove the factory finish so the paint mixture can stick to your shoe properly.
I got my eyes low with the sky foes where the rhyme floats, I don't really know.
The next step is the spray ground phase, where we will apply our paint to our shoe.
On the rail, bitch, I grind like my life's on the line, hella wire. So fall through with the light sticks. We open up when the light flicks. On sight, yellow cash rolls, everything around me. Hunting for the bounty. Wait, that nigga drip on fountain. Ran a tree down by the ounce. Liquor skin brown, slip it down to the earth, spin around. Life is hella short, so make it count. Tell the label I need 3, 4, 5, better count it back out loud. What we getting in me for the night? I never hit reply, but it red, I just wanna feel alive. Life is so much more than the bills. I just want a house in the hills. I just want to look into her eyes while I'm gripping on the thighs so she knowing that it's real.
Once you feel fully comfortable with the look of your shoe, you can slowly start removing the tape.
And I got these
one more thing, every custom isn't perfect. You'll have your flaws here and there, but the best thing we can do as creatives is to learn from our mistakes and do better, and apply the things you learned to your next custom. It's that simple. Our last step is to spray some finisher to protect the paint, and that's it. Alright, so that's going to do it for our tutorial today. I hope I left you with some tools to success to making a custom. If you have any questions or you feel like I've missed something, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be willing and more than happy to answer that question. Now I'm going to show her the shoes and hopefully she likes them. You remember the shoes I was working on for a client the other day and you were helping me record it? It was actually for you. So here. Yeah, they are. I never made you a custom or anything as far as the shoe thing, so.
Is that why they were my size?
Yes, I guess. Good read, but no, I just thought it's about time I cash in on that. So, how do you feel about them? I appreciate
it. These are dope.
You like them? Cool. So, for the camera and for the video and the viewers, I'm gonna put that shoe, one of the shoes in the freezer just to show them when they change from pink to purple. And yeah, so they kind of see that. So you like them?
I do. I love them.
All right, so y'all see this is the pink shoe. Go focus. There you go. So there's the pink shoe. Was one side, and here's the other side. It was completely pink. Now it's purple. So now you got. I don't know. Would you wear it like this?
I would.
It won't last long because as soon as it hits warm weather or whatever, it just.
When it rains, it'll give kind of a tie-dye. Tie-dye-ish.
That's if the rain is colder. But that's cool. But just proof that it's not a separate shoe. I'm going to put my thumb on it. Generate some friction. Now you see it start to turn pink again. I'll just put my hand on it, which I think is pretty cool. So now you start to see. That's dope too. It's really cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna make me some of these. I think they'll be pretty cool. Focus. All right. Think they're good?
I give it a thumbs up.
Good. All right. Well,
what you think?
She don't care. She'll probably chew them up. No, she don't chew shoes. But that's gonna do it for today's video. I think it was a success. She was surprised-ish. I mean, I'm bad at surprises, so. But I think she liked it. What? But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a like. Helps the video go a long way. Feed the algorithm. That's the goal. Feed the algo. This guy named Homer Simpson says that. So feed the algo. That's kind of what I'm going with. So yeah, check y'all later in the next one. Why did it do that?